now it's time for the world to see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit. If they hit a base hit or a home run, sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits. But at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know. That's every day. We always learn from each other. I'm learning from the group every day. I learn things every day. There's so many options out there and stock prices and things that change. And as soon as a new member's like, hey, what do you think about this company? Well, this could be some local store that's in their local town that you would never hear of. And one of them is Dollar General. Like we talked about Dollar General one time, and Dollar General, they went from like a 10%, 20%, 30% gain. And most people are like, how is this growing? I don't even know what Dollar General is. Well, if you spend your time at vacation homes and going to these crazy exotic places, but you don't go to these rural areas like Ohio or go to Cumberland, Kentucky, and you find that Dollar General, that is their grocery store. That's where they shop. They don't have a Kroger or a local store. They're driving 30 minutes to go to the first store that sells alcohol.